Good morning, everybody. It's day 6 here in Hawaii, and what a beautiful day today again. So you can see at the background there. And yeah, like yesterday was nice because we saw fireworks, and it was pretty amazing because we took some pretty cool footage. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go out, we're gonna go eat, and you'll see our next adventure again. So see you guys in a bit. Hey, keep eating, Beben. You're almost done. So he already ate 2 sausages already. Good job. So I got my bread here. I'm almost finished. I got my oatmeal. Emma has her bread, eggs, and sausage as well. And it's pretty busy today. Look how busy it is. Crazy. Luckily, we were able to find a seat. It's busy.
I don't know, I can't see. Hello everybody! So we decided to start with the Dole Plantation. This is where they grow all the pineapples, and it looks like it started in... Where's the ticket booth? I think the ticket booth's over here. We have to go over here. Ticket booth, right?
Oh, ticket is there on the right.
So, what was I saying? I think this plantation opened up in the 1980s. I'm not too sure because I'm trying to see the established year on the sign, but I can't read it. It's too far away. And we just have to buy our tickets and then go inside, take pictures. You know how it is with Filipinos. We got to take pictures of everything.
There's a ticket there, Camille.
And you haven't officially been somewhere unless you take pictures at the place. Am I right? No.
You're right.
Thank you.
Mommy, scary ones.
What is it?
Scary ones.
Oh, it's a snail. Cool. It's a
Scary ones.
It's not scary, Ben.
Oh, snail.
Just leave it alone.
Japanese snail.
Cool. So largest maze. Hey guys, so we're here now at the Pineapple Express train. We're just waiting. Apparently it can take up to 2 hours wait, but if we're earlier then around 45 minutes. So hopefully it's not too long. We'll wait. Mick is doing work. What are you doing? Get off your phone. I'm just kidding. It's urgent. Even on vacation you have to, you gotta do work when you have a marketing agency. So that's the reality of it. Ben is waiting here. It's so hot right now. I think it's like maybe plus 28 Celsius, not Fahrenheit. We do conversion in Celsius. And yeah, look. Hi, Mom. Bakit simangot ka dyan? Can you say something about your day?
Today, still, it's very warm.
Yeah? How are you feeling?
I feel energized.
How was the hike yesterday?
It was good.
How good?
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
You go
Maybe we
hiking
can
again?
Hiking pa more.
Hiking pa more, sabi niya. Sa summertime, di ba? Yes. Where's Dad? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kamusta ang buhay mo?
Mabuti.
Kamusta ang hiking mo kagabi? Kahapon.
Okay lang.
What tulog? Bakit ang awkward ka?
Tulog, hindi tulog ah.
Awkward. Bakit ang awkward ka?
Bakit ang awkward mo daw?
Why?
Wala. You guys not used to the camera. Oh, see, you're
It's
just...
fantastic.
It's fantastic, Ellie,
I never
fantastic.
used it this morning.
Use what?
Amazing.
Here I go. There you go. Yeah.
Free ticketed passengers per bench. Any unticketed children in the clear zone must be kept in a no snack throughout the entire ride. Also, please the boarding process for passenger. Please have one group member on your tickets. Mahalo.
Is it 3? 3? Oh, 3. It's so awkward.
Everyone is here, so we're ready to go. We're boarded. And Mommy's taking lots of pictures. And Sam, I think Mommy and Bigadi's are at the back there.
Not even in the pictures.
Yeah, the picture? Okay, here. Let's take photos of you. There you go. It's a big lineup It's a big lineup over there. So we're ready to go. Alright. Are you sure it's not gonna go, Abby?
Because they celebrated
We're going. Bang, 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 bang. There you go. We're going.
my children went there.
That's nice. Look at that. That's what they used maybe back in the days to harvest it, yeah. There's more here too. Yeah, you hear the music? It's a Model harvester.
Model A, not Model A.
Oh, Model A. And there's a fruit haul truck over there.
22-minute train ride will take you through a working plantation
Crumbola.
of pineapple and other crops, often featuring fields in all stages of growth, from planting to harvest.
The train is so fast.
Yeah, so fast.
To our right are the grounds of the Plantation Garden Tour, where
To the
guests
right.
can take a leisurely stroll through 8 different mini gardens and get an up-close view of a variety of plants, flowers, and native species while listening to stories about life on the plantation and Hawaiian heritage. A tube is placed between the rows of pineapple. When water is needed, it is dripped from the tubes directly onto the root. Harvesting, like planting, is also done by hand. The crop takes another 12 months, resulting in a 2.5-year cycle.
Coconut!
After the last crop is harvested, the field is knocked down and the pineapple. Here's some trivia for you. Did you know that pineapple is an excellent way to cap off a heavy meal?
Oh,
That's because fresh pineapples contain the enzyme bromelain, which is
So this is what it looks like. We got the pineapple variety garden. Okay, so one plant, one.
Where? There. Bigger one? Where? Look, you can see there. Oh, look, there, you can see it.
The tiny one? Oh yeah, it's so tiny. You like that, Beben?
That's a tiny
Yes,
pineapple.
Tiny pineapple. Okay, don't touch it, okay? Just look at it.
Pineapple now.
Picture!
Take a picture? Okay.
Okay, ready? Three,
Take a
two,
cheese.
Ben, look here.
Go kneel like
Yeah,
this.
go like this. Ben,
Yeah, like
Hold
that.
it. Hold it a little bit. Hold
There
it
you
a
go.
little bit. There.
Yeah.
okay, look here. Look here, look here, look here.
Yeah,
Wow, tiny.
Tiny.
For a tiny baby.
There's Pearl
Look here,
Harbor
guys.
there.
yeah.
Look,
Or
look,
over there.
Look at
Like
this.
it's
Mommy.
Oh, so there's like different gardens.
Okay, wait,
Yeah.
one more.
Yeah,
Ready?
there you go.
One, two, three, cheese.
There you go,
Aw.
man. That's cute. Yeah. Yeah, so it's like. Hold on, Beben. Hold on. Wait your turn.
Banana tree. What's this one?
Look at this. Banana.
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 Wow, these plants look like avatar plants.
I know. They do look like Avatar. So like, look at this one. This one looks like from Avatar. Maybe it was inspired from Avatar.
Take a picture here. Ben, come here, baby.
Guys, take a picture.
Ay, ang ganda naman yan.
Gandang boy. Getting Hararu. Yeah, take a picture. Avadararu.
Hey guys, so we're just heading to Waikiki Beach again. I don't know if we picked a good time to go. So we're leaving tomorrow. It's our last day officially tomorrow, but our flight leaves at around I think 9:50 in the evening. But we're savoring every last second that we can at the beach, so that's why we're heading there now. And yeah, it's still pretty bright. It's like 6 p.m. right now. So we're just trying to waste some more time, possibly get more masubi later on in the day, and the city is still alive, still very alive. Probably. It's pretty gloomy, like there's clouds. I felt a couple raindrops earlier. But maybe we'll just hang out for a bit at the beach. San, where are you?
My tummy hurts again.
Uh-oh, that's not good. Like how bad from scale of 1 to 10?
I don't know, like 1
Like a 1?
or 2.
Hubby, watch him. The water's actually warm. Yeah. Yeah.
I know. Kuda. That's actually surprising. Make sure you don't drop my phone.
When we're together, it's open skies. No other way than side by side. Every sunrise here with you, letting all the dreams we dream come true. We got the love to make it through. We got the love, just me and you. We got the love to make it through. We got the love, me and you.
Hey guys.
Here's my kid.
When we're together, it's open sky. No other way than side by side. Every sunset here with you, letting all the dreams we dream come true. We got the
Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog again. Good morning. We're on the next day. It's actually our last day in Hawaii. And yeah, I'm just gonna say again, thanks guys for watching our vlog. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying it so far. And yeah, it's our last day, but I'm ending this vlog on a good note. Hawaii's crying right now. It's actually raining, and the whole week it has been super nice, super hot. So the fact that we're leaving today and it's been raining just says that Hawaii's gonna miss us. But yeah, hopefully you guys again enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next vlog, which is going to be right after this ending. So I'm going to do my introduction for day 7 of Hawaii. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. I don't have my hand, sorry.
I can't slow down.